In this video, I will show you how to insert page border in Word document. It's very easy, just follow my steps. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. I appreciate it very much. Let's get started. Okay, the first step is to go to Design. Then, click on Page Borders. And here, in Page Border, you will select Box or whatever you like. Then, in Style, choose the style you like. In Color, you can choose a color. In Width, you can also adjust it to your liking. And down here, you can add an artwork, but it is optional. Then here, you will leave it in whole document. And that's it. If you found the video useful, let me know in the comments and leave me a like. Thanks!